Beat tracks on this car.
Once again, drop the bass.
Bust the move. Bust the move. Bust the move. Just bust the move. Here's a jam for all the fellas. Try to do what those ladies tell us. Get shot down cause you're overzealous. Play hard to get. Okay, smarty, go to a party, showing body. A chick walks by, you wish you could sex it, but you're standing on the wall like you was Poindexter. Next day function, high class luncheon, food is served and you're stone cold munching. Music comes on, people start to dance. A girl starts walking, guy starts gawking, sits down next to you and starts talking. Says she wanna dance. Bust the move. 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 You're on a mission. Someone could cure your lonely condition. Looking for love. Looking for love. From frustration, first inclination is to become a monk and leave the situation. But every dark tunnel has a light of hope, so don't hang yourself with a celibate rope. New movie showing, so you're going, so you're going. When the theater gets dark, just to start the show, find a fine woman sitting in your row. She's dressed in yellow, she says hello. Come sit next to me, you fine fellow. And what comes next? Bust the move. 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 In the city, guys tell jokes so they can seem witty. Then you try to make a move and she says, girls are fake.